After years of shifting plans, delays, and sudden revivals, the latest confirmations from Elon Musk and Tesla themselves finally make one thing clear. The Tesla Model 2 is no longer just an idea. It's real! Production is now officially in progress. What's more shocking is that the final design of this car might be something no one ever expected. And yes, the long-rumored price of $15,789 has finally been confirmed. More importantly, Elon Musk boldly claimed the Model 2 would become the most mass-produced vehicle ever made, with an expected output nearing 50 million units. That's more than anything Tesla's ever achieved with their current top seller, the Model Y. Right now, everyone's attention is locked on Tesla to find out if this highly anticipated affordable car will live up to its legendary hype. But why are car enthusiasts, families, and even competing automakers watching so closely? Before we dive into the full story, a tiny request from the team here at AMP Driveware, just at 170 amazing subscribers right now. If you're among the first to watch our deep dive Tesla content and enjoy what you're hearing, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button like you're pressing the accelerator in a Tesla Plaid. We've got a lot of Tesla updates, leaks, and honest takes coming your way, so don't miss out. So, how did Tesla confirm the Model 2 price? It might not be launching this June or even later this year. Instead, all signs suggest a 2025 release, and it's aiming to be Tesla's most affordable car yet, with a price tag of just $15,789. Throw in the $7,500 federal EV tax credit, and it'll feel more like you're getting a slick electric ride for the price of a high-end e-bike. Of course, we have to keep expectations grounded. This isn't going to be a luxury vehicle. It's Tesla's play to bring EV driving to everyday people who are tired of spending $4 a gallon at gas stations. Now, the big claim: Elon Musk says the Model 2 will be the most mass-produced car of all time, targeting 42 million units. That's a bold plan when you realize the Toyota Corolla, one of the world's most iconic vehicles, took decades to reach 50 million sales. Tesla's weapon for this production blitz? A 50,000-ton Giga press. This machine is a monster, over 8 times more powerful than the 6,000-ton press used to make the Model Y. It can produce 5 vehicle frames in a single go, slicing down production time and cost with curtain. Surgical precision. Compared to traditional automakers like Ford, who still bolt together trucks like they're building a puzzle, Tesla's method looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But let's be real, if that Giga press ever breaks, fixing something that size won't be easy. The Model 2 body is another game changer. Instead of hundreds of components, it's made from just about 80 structural pieces. The process begins with aluminum heated to around 850 degrees Celsius. Impurities are filtered out like a barista crafting the perfect cup of coffee. That molten metal gets pushed into molds, rapidly cooled, and then scanned using X-rays. Quality checks are AI-driven, yes. Robots making sure your car isn't full of defects. It's an impressive system, but not flawless. A single imperfection in the casting might mean the entire frame has to be discarded. So why is the world paying attention? For $15,789, the Model 2 undercuts nearly all its competitors. The Chevy Bolt comes in at $26,500. Even small gas cars like the Nissan Versa go for $18,000. Add rising gas, prices averaging $3.50 in 2020. And you've got a serious value proposition. Charging an EV costs about 50% less than gasoline over a car's lifetime. So the Model 2 might save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year, enough for your favorite weekend treats or extra family activities. Just don't expect a baby Model S. The Model 2 is probably going to skip out on heated seats or panoramic glass roofs. Tesla is cutting back on extras to focus on volume. That's smart. About 60% of Americans are now considering EVs. They don't need luxury, they need something reliable, efficient, and affordable. If Tesla can pull this off, even with some quarters cut, it could change everything. What makes the Model 2 special isn't just the price. It's the value. For less than $16,000, you're not just buying a career buying into Tesla's ecosystem. You'll get regular software updates, access to the Tesla Supercharger network, and the same clean, futuristic interface you find in the pricier models. No other car maker delivers this kind of tech continuity across their product range, especially not at this price. Tesla's vertical integration gives it another big advantage. While old-school automakers depend on dozens of suppliers and outdated factories, Tesla handles almost everything in-house. From making batteries to using AI for logistics, Tesla keeps costs down and efficiency up. That means savings get passed directly to customers and it helps Tesla keep healthy profits even while selling affordable cars. It's a win-win! Resale value is another bonus. Cheap cars usually lose value fast. But Tesla has a strong brand, consistent software updates, and long battery life. That could help the Model 2 stay valuable for longer, unlike most budget-friendly gas cars that feel old the moment you drive off the lot. It might become the first affordable car people actually want to hold on to. If Tesla even delivers 80% of what it's promising, the Model 2 won't just be the cheapest. Tesla could be the most important one yet. For people who thought EVs were out of reach, this is a big step forward. It's not just a car. It's a doorway into cleaner, smarter transportation that doesn't break the bank. But what about the design? So far, we don't know exactly what it looks like. Tesla is famous for secrecy. Still, we got a hint during the 2023 shareholder meeting, a teaser image showing a sloping roofline. It looked like a cross between the Model Y and the Model 3. Then a blurry photo leaked from inside the Fremont Gigafactory. It showed a compact two-door hatchback parked near a Model Y and looked about 30% smaller. While not officially confirmed, many believe this is our first real glimpse of the Model 2. The shape is definitely more compact. Tesla is aiming for a crossover design that's great for busy cities. This car won't have the long rear end of a sedan, will be more agile, easier to park, and still offer decent space inside. Tesla wants something practical for daily use without sacrificing style. Compact crossovers have seen a 15% growth in popularity from 2018 to 2023, so the timing couldn't be better. Inside, the Model 2 will still carry Tesla's DNA. A large center touchscreen, probably smaller than the Model 3 will, be your main hub for controls, maps, media, and more. Autopilot will be standard, meaning it'll come with adaptive cruise control and lane assist. These features can cut accident risks by up to 40%, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The Tesla app will let you manage climate control and lock or unlock the car remotely. And yes, over-the-air updates mean your car gets smarter and better without any trips to a dealership. In 2024 alone, this feature saved Tesla owners $1.6 billion in maintenance costs. Now that's future-proofing. To keep the cost low, Tesla is skipping luxury features: no heated rear seats, no power trunk, no fancy second screen. But that's okay. People buying the Model 2 are looking for value, not velvet. At its projected $15K price, the Model 2 will undercut not only EVs like the Bolt or Leaf, but also budget gas SUVs like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR5. There's some confusion around the Model 2 and the Cybercab because they're built on the same next-gen platform. But don't be misled there. Not the same car. The Cybercab will use Tesla's new unboxed manufacturing method, which isn't even ready yet. That means it likely won't be out until 2026. The Model 2, on the other hand, will use Tesla's current well-tested assembly systems. That gives it a major head start. Design-wise, the Cybercab is a two-seat autonomous ride with no steering wheel or pedals. The Model 2 will have a more standard look and feel. Think mini Model 3 rather than something out of a sci-fi movie. Performance will be toned down compared to Tesla's more expensive models, 0 to 60 mph in 5 to 7 seconds, but it'll still be quick enough for everyday driving. The Model 2 interior will stay minimal but won't feel stripped down. Tesla has learned from the backlash over the Cybertruck's divisive look and will likely offer a more balanced design here. One standout feature might be a full-width LED light barrel detail, also seen in Cybercab images. Interestingly, the Cybercab is basically an autonomous version of the Model 2. It'll have no manual controls and be designed for robotaxi use. With the Cybercab expected around 2026, it only makes sense that the Model 2 is coming sooner, possibly even in early 2025. Finally, what about families and larger groups? Tesla is thinking ahead. The current Model X and Y offer options for 7 seats, but they're either too expensive or too cramped. Elon Musk hinted at a larger vehicle in the works, maybe the robovan shown at the October 2024 AI event. It's early days, but Tesla might eventually release a full-size EV made for families, rideshare, or even sports teams. With a roomy layout, new battery tech, and long range, this could be Tesla's next big hit. But for now, all eyes are on the Model 2. Are you excited to see Tesla deliver a car that could save you money, help the environment, and make EVs truly accessible? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Amp Drive. If you haven't already, give this video a like and share it with your fellow Tesla fans. And remember, subscribe to Amp Drive. We're growing one electric revolution at a time.